Okay, this is a quick demo of the new Matrix mobile shop software. This is the main screen. Once you log in, you can make the categories for the product which don't have the barcode. You don't have to make so many categories here because obviously if you make more categories, the button sizes will be smaller and then the font size is small. So instead of making like 5, 6, 7, 8 categories, do just 3, 4 categories for only product that are without barcode and the product that sell fast and that's the running products. The other option of selling, one option is you just press the button, for example, and you can it is giving a warning message. You can write any message. For example, when you're selling batteries, you can write a warning message here. Check battery before selling, or for example, if you're selling the glass protector, you can um, put a message here, clean the screen before applying the protector. So you can put any message with every product and it will display the message whenever you sell it. If you don't want this message, you can deactivate it as well. So this is the one way of selling the product by pressing the button. The other way is you go and find the product. For example, Apple Mac charger, double click on it and it will go on the back card automatically. The third way is obviously you scan the barcode, and once you scan the barcode, it will go into the cart. Once you're happy with the order, you can do save only, or you can do print, and it will print the receipt and give you the change as well. You can write how much customer paid you. For example, if customer paid you £320, you can write 320 here, and then you can save only or print. At the moment, there's no printer installed, that's why I'm not printing, and it will finish the job. This is how you take the order. If you take anything by mistake, you can press the delete button. You can do discount in percentage as well. uh, Now the second thing is job. You can book a new job quickly. Take the customer telephone number. If the customer is already in the database, it will search by telephone number. You press find. If it's in the database, it will show all the details here. If it's new customer, then you need to write the customer name. For example, the email address is optional. Picture, you double click here. If your computer, if your system have a camera installed, it will open the camera view here, and you can take the picture, capture the picture of the customer, and later you can print the ID card for the customer card for the customer if you want. You can search the address by postcode, and then you can write the address here. On the second screen, you need to give the device details, device type, is it mobile or tablet, so you write mobile here. What's the company, for example, Apple. Model, you can give the model 7S. Network 3G, fault, screen broken, whatever fault you initially diagnosed. Terms, if there's any terms. If customer requested to back up any directory, for example photos, you can write here. Is there any password, you can type the customer password here. Diagnosis and estimate, you do job created, because this is the new job created. Then whatever your diagnosis, you write here the diagnosis. IMEI number here. Promise date is the collection date, so you can change the date whatever is the promise date. Estimate, what estimate you given to customer, how much they're paying upfront. If they're paying anything upfront, you can write here. And pay status, if they're paying, you do paid. If they're not paying anything, you do not paid, and do 0 here. This last screen is the loan screen. For example, if you're giving any replacement phone to the customer while their phone is while you're fixing their phone, you can record the details of the replacement phone. For example, Samsung mobile, Samsung model whatever S7, IEMI number, and then how much you're charging them for this service. For example, you agreed £10 for the service, so you can write £10. Whatever you write here, this amount will go to the sale when the customer collect their original phone. You can take up to 2 pictures of the replacement phone, so there's no dispute. You can take the pictures for your records. What's the condition of the phone when you give it to customer. You double click here. If there's camera attached, it will open the camera automatically, and then you can take the picture by pressing this capture button. At the moment there's no camera attached, that's why it's not working. Once you're happy, you can either save it, you can save and print with your terms and condition, or you can, if you don't want to continue, you can do cancel as well. This is the loan part. It's very easy to use. The second thing is the buying. If you're buying any soft mobile, you can go to the buying and you can record the mobile number of the customer who's selling you the device, their name, their email address. If you want to take the picture of their ID, maybe their driver license or anything, record their address, and then you can, on the second tab, you can record the details of the phone you're buying. For example, is it mobile, tablet, what company, model, network, what's the agreed amount, is there any terms and condition. For example, you just collect the mobile and you ask the customer to call you tomorrow to get an estimated amount, how much you're going to pay them. Is there any password on the phone? You can take up to 2 pictures of the mobile as well, and then you can print this information as a receipt. This will add, again, this will reduce the money from your sale, and this will add the mobile phone as a product in your stock, so you don't need to add the product again, it's automatically added. This is the buying feature. Refund, you can refund it. More options, there are lots of more options. You can do stock. Stock now is very easy to use. View, you all you need to do is go to view stock, enter the manager password, and then you can see stock by product name. For example, if you want to see stock for memory cards, so you can do, let's say, 4 GB memory card, so you do 4 GB, it will bring the 4 GB memory card product, and you can see how much they are stock, 8 in stock, you sold too far, and that's the information. uh, if you want to see all the stock level, you don't write anything here and it will show you all the stock levels. If you want to see, for example, 5S loud speakers stock, so you can type 5S and it will show you anything that is start with 5S, and you can see the stock level. You can also print this information. It's very easy. If you want to print all the stock level, just press a print preview. It will load. It will take some time to load because obviously there's loads of products, so it will open everything on this view, and then you can print it on A4 printer. You can also email it to yourself. You can also save it as PDF. So this is the email option here, and if you want to save it as a PDF file, you can save it, or you can save it as an image or maybe an Excel file. So you can print, basically print, save, email this stock information, how much is stock. You can also see stock by category name. For example, if you want to see how much stock level in barcode category, all the barcode product, it will show you just the product that have the barcode. Or let's say you have a category here, cases. So if you want to see the stock level for cases, it's again, you just write cases here and it will show you the stock level of all the products that are inside the cases, and you can print it again. Just this section you can print it as well. Any questions, call me. It's again very easy to use. There's a clock in clock out feature. You can see how many hours user work. You can add more stock very easily. Even in the view stock, you can go and you can add stock very easily, or you can reduce the stock level as well. For example, if you want to add a stock, this 10-meter Ethernet cable, just double click and then you write how much you want to add and press update. It will be updated. If you want to reduce, you do -50 and press update. It will ask you to give a manager password because you are reducing the stock quantity. So again, it's very easy to use. If you have any questions, just ring me and we'll see from there. Thank you.